We will now look at how to visually represent the height or altimetry of master contours by accessing the MDT contours/cartography command and selecting Labeling. A new window provides us with the layer by default to use this equidistance, as well as the height of the text and the number of decimals we are going to represent. We have three methods. Automatic, whereby our software places text at the end of the contours automatically. Manual, where we designate where on the screen we want the labeling text and lines of direction. We basically draw a line that crosses the contours and shows us where to draw these texts. The label is placed on a black background by default. However, if we want a transparent background, we can access CAD, Properties, select the text, and deactivate the Text Background option. Let us delete the labels using the MDT contours/cartography delete labels command. An additional way of representing the heights of our digital model is using the MDT contours/cartography locate height command, where, with a loaded surface, all we need to do is define the height of the text and the number of decimals and specify where we wish to represent these heights. Conduct it in two steps. First, we designate the height point, and second, the position of the height text. The MDT contours/cartography command provides us with the options we will address in later chapters, from filtering and generalization to a series of utilities. In this unit, we are going to look at another way of obtaining a curvature in accordance with contour special heights. An example for our worksite consists of the fact it has been raining in the last few days, and the lower area has been flooded. We have measured the height of this sheet of water, and we need to calculate the special curvature in order to calculate the capacity of water thereafter. All we need to do is insert the height we wish to bend and check it is not included in our curvature. Accept and continue.